This model shows the developing structures a little bit further along. You don't see any detail of the embryo right in here, but you can see the amniotic cavity above the epiblast layer and the developing yolk sac, which developed within that original blastocyst cavity. Another cavity has appeared. This is the chorionic cavity that is present in the early stages of development, will later disappear. You can also see in this model some of the villi developing in the trophoblast that are going to be part of the developing placenta. If we move to the next model, this is a little bit further along. Now you see an embryo that is recognizable attached to the surrounding trophoblast developing placenta via this connecting stalk. You can also see the yolk sac that is still present. And at this point, the amniotic cavity has expanded and largely obliterated the chorionic cavity. You see very well developed chorionic villi all the way around this implanted structure. Note that they are more elaborate here adjacent to the connecting stalk. So if we look a little bit further in development, as the placenta itself begins to form, here you can see the developing umbilical cord from that connecting stalk that at this stage still has remnants of the yolk sac included. And you see the very elaborate villi. These form what's called the chorion frondosum, which is going to be the embryonic component of the placenta. If you look opposite that, on the opposite side, the villi have all disappeared. This forms what is called the chorion leve, and this part does not contribute to the formation of the placenta. Over here, the beginnings of the placental circulation can be seen, but not in any great detail.